Hey guys, it's me, JT. Well, today I'm playing Fappy Bird. Yeah, I'm one of the lucky ones who got it. Oh, crap.
Time to go to sleep.
Wing this camera the wrong way. Oh gosh, it's a light. I hate this bird. I swear. Best is 17. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. Having the best of. Hello everybody, I am new to YouTube, playing Fappy Bird. Yeah. So my name is Yoshi 64 64 75 75. If you ever see me on Minecraft, yeah, you should subscribe to Speedin too. Ugh. Stupid bird. I score 17. Ugh. Yeah, really right. I didn't even get to move. Come on, you stupid bird. Come on, come on, come on.
How much is it?
No. Ugh. Yeah, I think it's going to be better for it to lay down, because I'm just looking through the camera right here. Yeah, so it's like kind of really annoying. So yeah, I don't know how long I'm going to have this video. I don't even think I'm going to upload it. Not really, I will. Yes, I made progress, but my best is 17. I cannot beat it. Yeah, I like flying low. That's where I like the tubes to be. But I can't see because of my finger.
No worries.
Yeah, so this helps it when I do this. Ah, you bird. Don't know how much longer I'm gonna do this, but I'll have 2 videos in one day. How about that? That might help. Because I'm a new tuber. Well, I guess that's all the time I have for right now, because I'm just really ticked off at this game, but I'm still not deleting because it's like $8,000 now. So, bye-bye.